जलज्येष्ठनिभाकारं जगदीशपदाश्रयम् जगतीतलविख्यातं जगन्नाथ गुरुं भजे।
Hare Srinivasa. One of the strongest Hindu resistances against the relentless pursuits of colonization by the Mughal invaders and the English merchants was the Bhakti movement. A movement that resisted the forces devoid of any societal ethics, who, along with power of rule, were keen to wipe out all physical traces of our glorious civilization. And no South Indian can miss the influence of Dasa Sahitya of the Madhva tradition in that movement. From Krishnani Begane Baru to Bhagyada Lakshmi Barama, from Ni Maya Yologo to Induyanage Govinda, these songs have brought out such devotional experiences to everyone that many people savor that magic even today. This movement culminated with the magnum opus Harikatamrutasara of Sri Jagannatha Dasaru. Therefore, there can never be a remembrance of Sri Jagannatha Dasaru complete without a mention of Harikatamrutasara. This giant work of 988 verses has beautifully described the entire Vaishnava philosophy with accurate scriptural proofs or pramanas in Bhamini Shatpadi meter. This is also the reason why this work is often spoken in the same breath as Gadugina Bharata of Kumara Vyasa and Prabhulinga Lile of Chamarasa. Ask any Kannada sophomore if you don't know much about that. The literary brilliance of this work aside, the HKS, as we call it, is a cult favorite among its Kannada-speaking patrons. That simple daily use Kannada with many regional dialects, those expressive words complete with facts, numbers, references, very importantly the feel of devotion and many things for us to learn. Broken down into 32 chapters, this work is organized in a gradual and progressive journey. Beginning with a brief invocation, Dasaru brings the complete essence of the full scriptural import from Hindu anthology of scriptures. This work promotes morals for a healthy, pluralistic society in all its teachings. Today, we will briefly look at the second chapter, Karuna Sandhi, that explains the Lord's kindness towards His creation. This work of 31 verses is characterized by three things: simplicity in the language and a case for Kannada as a godly language. How kindness is reflected in the ease with which the Lord is pleased, His generosity to His devotees, and His unconditional love and compassion. The ending verse of the chapter bears two distinctive signatures. One of the Dasaru himself invoking the deity Jagannatha Vitthala, and another to describe the completeness and defectlessness of Sri Hari, a theme in all of Jagadguru Srimadananda Tirthara Adhyanta Shlokas.
ಹರಿಕಥಾಮೃತಸಾರ ಗುರುಗಳ ಕರುಣದಿಂದ ಪನಿತು ಪೇಳುವೆ ಪರಮ ಭಗವದ್ ಭಕ್ತರಿದನಾದರದಿ ಕೇಳುವುದು ಆದರದಿ ಕೇಳುವುದು. The essence of Sri Hari's glories that are learned through the kind teachers, a little of which be told, is keenly heard by all his great devotees. ಶ್ರವಣ ಮನಕಾನಂದರಿಯುವುದು ಭವಜನಿತ ದುಃಖಗಳ ಕಳೆವುದು ವಿವಿಧ ಭೋಗಗಳಿಹ ಪರಂಗಳಲಿತ್ತು ಸಲಹುವುದು ಭುವನ ಪಾವನವೆನೆ ಪಲಕು ಮೀಧವನ ಮಂಗಳ ಕಥೆಯ ಪರಮೋತ್ಸವದಿ ಕಿವಿಗೊಟ್ಟಾಲಿಪುದು ಭೂಸುರರು ದಿನ ದಿನದಿ. Hearing this is soothing. It removes all worldly sorrows. helps us enjoy the pleasures of many worlds too. The protector of the world, that Lakshmi Dhavana's glorious tales are a treat to hear even for the great celestial deities. ಮಳೆಯ ನೀರೋಣಿಯೊಳು ಪರಿಯಲು ಬಳಸರೂರೊಳಗಿದ್ದ ಜನರ ಜಲವು ಹೆದ್ದೊರೆಗೂಡೆ ಮಜ್ಜನ ಪಾನಗೈದ ಪರು ಕಲುಷ ವಚನಗಳಾದಡೆಯು ಬಾಂಬೊಳೆಯ ಪೆತ್ತನ ಪಾದ ಮಹಿಮಾ ಜಲದಿ ಪೊಕ್ಕುದರಿಂದ ಮಾಂಡಪರೇ ಮಹೀಸುರರು. The rainwater flowing in the alleys is of no use to people. But when it joins a river, it's rejoiced. Can the worldly languages then, thus being blessed by the spring of celestial skies, not be embraced by the great gods? ಶ್ರುತಿತತಿಗಳಭಿಮಾನಿ ಲಕುಮಿ ಸ್ತುತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಗೋಚರಸಿರ ಪ್ರತಿಹತ ಮಹೈಶ್ವರ್ಯಾದ್ಯ ಖಿಳ ಸದ್ಗುಣಗಳಾಂಬೋಧಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ದಿವಸ ತನ್ನಂಘ್ರಿ ಸೇವಾರತ ಮಹಾತ್ಮರು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿಹ ಸಂಸ್ತುತಿಗೆ ವಶನಾಗುವ ನಿವನ ಕಾರುಣ್ಯಕೇನೆಂಬೆ. His magnificence is indescribable even to Lakshmi's eulogies in all the scriptures that she presides over. How can we then explain his kindness, that he is captivated even by a little devotion of the great seers? ಮನವಚನ ಕತಿ ದೂರ ನೆನೆವರನನುಸರಿಸಿ ತಿರುಗುವನು ಜಾಹ್ನವಿ ಜನಕ ಜಗದೊಳಗಿದ್ದು ಜನಿಸುವ ಜಗದುದರ ತಾನು ಘನ ಮಹಿಮ ಗಾಂಗೇಯನು ತಗಾಯನವ ಕೇಳುತ್ತ ಗಗನ ಚರವಾಹನದಿ ಬಹುಕಸರೊಡನೆ ತಿರುಗುವ ಮನೆ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. Those who go long in his devotion, he ferries them along. This Father of knowledge and the holy waters pervades the entire world, listens attentively to everyone's prayers while traveling the skies, riding on the birds. ಮಲಗಿ ಪರಮಾದರದಿ ಪಾಡಲು ಕುಳಿತು ಕೇಳುವ ಕುಳಿತು ಪಾಡಲು ನಿಲುವ ನಿಂತರೆ ನಲಿವ ನಲಿದರೆ ಒಲಿವೆ ನಿಮಗೆಂಬ ಸುಲಭನೋ ಹರಿತನ್ನವರ ನರಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಗಲನುರ ಮಾಧವನೊಲಿಸಲರಿಯದೆ ಪಾಮರರು ಬಳಲುವರು ಭವದೊಳಗೆ. Should you lie down and sing, he will sit down to listen. Should you sit, he stands. You stand, he dances. You dance, and he is yours. Easy it is to have him. Shri Hari won't leave his own even for half a moment. And lo, so many of them are struggling to please this Ramadhava. ಮನದೊಳಗೆ ತಾನೆದ್ದು ಮನವೆಂದೆನಿಸಿಕೊಂಬನು ಮನದ ವೃತ್ತಿಗಳನುಸರಿಸಿ ಭೋಗಂಗಳೀವನು ತ್ರಿವಿಧ ಚೇತನಕ್ಕೆ ಮನವನೆತ್ತರೆ ತನ್ನ ನೀವನು ತನುವ ದಂಡಿಸಿ ದಿನ ದಿನದಿ ಸಾಧನವ ಮಾಡ್ಪರಿಗೆತ್ತ ಪನು ಸ್ವರ್ಗಾದಿ ಭೋಗಗಳ. Being in the mind, he becomes the mind, and minds the imprints of the mind's indulgences, while rewarding the sattvic, rajasic and the tamasic souls. You pledge your mind, he offers himself, and for those toiling their bodies in relentless duty, he offers heavenly pleasures. ಪರಮ ಸತ್ಪುರುಷಾರ್ಥರೂಪನು ಹರಿಯು ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂದು ಪರಮಾಧರದಿ ಸದುಪಾಸನೆಯ ಗೈವರಿಗಿತ್ತ ಪನು ತನ್ನ ಮರೆತು ಧರ್ಮಾರ್ಥಗಳ ಕಾಮಿಸುವರಿಗೆ ನಗುತತಿ ಶೀಘ್ರದಿಂದಲಿ ಸುರಪತನಯ ಸುಯೋಧನರಿಗೆ ಕಂತೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಿಪ್ಪ. The supreme image of truth and mission of life, Shri Hari offers himself completely to those that engage in his regular service. Should you forget that and desire for fraternity and wealth, he will gleefully serve you like Arjuna and Duryodhana. Remember, he offered himself, his a non-active role to Arjuna and his entire Yadava army to Duryodhana in the Kurukshetra war. ಜಗವನೆಲ್ಲವ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸುವನಾಲ್ಮೊಗನೊಳಗೆ ತಾನಿದ್ದು ಸಲಹುವ ಗಗನಕೇಶನೊಳಿದ್ದು ಸಂಹರಿಸುವನು ಲೋಕಗಳ ಸ್ವಗತ ಭೇದ ವಿವರ್ಜಿತನು ಸರ್ವಗ ಸದಾನಂದೈಕ ದೇಹನು ಬಗೆ ಬಗೆಯ ನಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಸುತ್ತ ಭಕುತರನು ಪೊರೆವಾ. The creator of the worlds, by being inside Brahma, he himself nurtures them before destroying them as Shiva, the one whose part is inseparable from his whole, who's always happy and magnificent in all his manifestations, gets called by various names and blesses them all. ಒಬ್ಬನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಾಡುವನು ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡುವನು, ಬೇಡುವನೊಬ್ಬನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಡುವನು, ಮಾತಾಡುವನು ಬೆರಗಾಗಿ. ಅಬ್ಬರದ ಹೆದ್ದೈವನಿವ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬನನು ಲೆಕ್ಕಿಸನು, ಲೋಕದೊಳೊಬ್ಬನೇತ ಬಾಧ್ಯ ಬಾಧಕನಾಹ ನಿರ್ಭೀತ. He stands inside one in place, in another he sees, in some he begs, in some he gives, and he alone speaks of all of this in amazement. This big Lord of matchless grandeur doesn't keep any score, for he is the only thing that's fearlessly being bound and binding alike. ಶರಣ ಜನ ಮಂದಾರ ಶಾಶ್ವತ ಕರುಣಿ ಕಮಲಾಕಾಂತ ಕಾಮದ ಪರಮ ಪಾವನ ತರಸು ಮಂಗಳ ಚರಿತ ಪಾರ್ಥ ಸಖ ನಿರುಪಮಾನಂದಾತ್ಮ ನಿರ್ಗತ ದುರಿತ ದೇವವರೇಣ್ಯನೆಂದಾದರದಿ ಕರೆಯಲು ಬಂದುದಗುವನು ತನ್ನವರ ಬಳಿಗೆ. Lord Kamalakanta, the Mandara blessing to the surrendered ascetics, the fulfiller of desires, the most holy one, praised in all good past and the history, a friend of Arjuna, incomparably blissful, untouched by difficulties, supreme to all gods. Sri Hari, he will personally make himself available for the devotedly calling ones. ಜನನಿಯನು ಕಾಣದಿಹ ಬಾಲಕ ನೆನೆದು ಹಲುಬುತಿರೆ ಕತ್ತಲೆ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗಿದ್ದವನ ನೋಡುತ್ತ ನಗುತ್ತ ಹರುಷದಲ್ಲಿ ತನಯ ನಂಬಿಗೆ ದಪ್ಪಿರಂಬಿಸಿ ಕನಲಿಕೆಯ ಕಳೆವಂತೆ ಮಧುಸೂದನನು ತನ್ನವರಿದ್ದೆಡೆಗೆ ಬಂದೊದಗಿ ಸಲಹುವನು. When a child, unable to find its mother, calls for her in the anxious darkness and is spotted by the mother, she will be exhilarated to see it and goes to hug it tightly and eases the anxiety of the child. Madhusudana protects his own in a similar way. ಹಿಟ್ಟಿ ಕಲ್ಲನು ಭಕುತಿಯಿಂದಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಭಕುತಗೆ ಮೆಚ್ಚಿ ತನ್ನನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಬಡ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣನ ಒಪ್ಪಿಡಿಯವಲಿಗ ಕಿಳಾರ್ಥ. ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಮಾತುಗಳೆನದೆ ಚೈತ್ಯನ ಪೊಟ್ಟೆಯೊಳಗೆಂಬಿಟ್ಟ ಬಾಣದಲಿಟ್ಟ ಭೀಷ್ಮನ ಅವಗುಣಗಳೆನಿಸಿದನೆ ಕರುಣಾಳು. He was pleased by a mere brick given in devotion and offered himself as Panduranga. He was also pleased to a handful of beaten rice, avalaki, from poor Sudhama. This kind Lord later protected the ill-mouthed Shishupala too in his stomach and forgave Bhishma his audacity to shoot arrows at Parashurama. Well, he is all forgiving. ಧನವ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಿಸುವ ಫಣಿತಾನೊಳದೆ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡದನು ದಿನದಿ ನೋಡುತ್ತ ಸುಖಿಸು ಬಂದದಿಲ ಕುಮಿವಲ್ಲಭನು. ಪ್ರಣತರನು ಕಾಯ್ದಿಹನು ನಿಷ್ಕಾಮನದಿ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದಮಯ ದುರ್ಜನರ ಸೇವೆಯನಲ್ಲನ ಪ್ರತಿಮಲ್ಲ ಜಗಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. Like how the snake, despite having no desire in that wealth, continues to protect a nidhi, this Lakshmi Vallabha too protects all his people without expectations. However, this ever-happy Lord of the universe with matchless might will never entertain the slightest of the service from the ill-hearted ones. ಬಾಲಕನ ಕಲಭಾಷೆ ಜನನಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಸುಖ ಪಡುವಂತೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಲೋಲ ಭಕ್ತರು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸಂಸ್ತುತಿಗೆ ಹಿಗ್ಗುವನು. ತಾಳ ತನ್ನವರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಹೇಳನವ ಹೆದ್ದೈವ ವಿದುರನ ಆಲಯದಿ ಪಾಲೆಂದು ಕುರುಪನ ಮಾನವನೆ ಕೊಂಡ. Just like how every mother relishes the technically inferior baby talks, this Lakshmi Lola Srihari rejoices every praise from his devotees. However, the mighty Lord wouldn't tolerate any insult. He drank milk in Vidura's place and insulted Duryodhana as a reciprocation to their devotions and not as per their birth privileges. ಸ್ಮರಿಸುವವರ ಪರಾಧ ಗಣತ ಸ್ಮರಿಸ ಸಕಲೇಶ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕ ಮರಳಿತನ ಗರ್ಪಿಸಲು ಕೊಟ್ಟದನಂತ ಮಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಪರಿಪರಿಗಲೆಂದೊಣಿಸಿ ಸುಖ ಸಾಗರದಿ ಲೋಲಾಡಿಸುವ ಮಂಗಳ ಚರಣ ಚಿನ್ಮಯ ಗಾತ್ರ ಲೋಕ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಸುಚರಿತ್ರ. He won't remember the crimes of those who remember him. The generous Lord returns them multifold in different ways and ensures happiness to all. He is truly the legendary, the knowledgeable, the divine, and the well-remembered. ಏನು ಕರುಣಾನಿಧಿಯೋ ಹರಿ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಭಕ್ತಾಧೀನನು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಈತನ ಲೀಲೆ ಇಚ್ಛಾ ಮಾತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗವ ತಾನೆ ಸೃಜಿಸುವ ಪಾಲಿಸುವ ನಿರ್ವಾಣ ಮೊದಲಾದ ಖಿಲ ಲೋಕ ಸ್ಥಾನದಳಿಮ ತವರ ನಿಟ್ಟಾನಂದ ಪಡಿಸುವನು. Oh, look at his generosity, his compassion to devotees. What else can be spoken of him, who by a mere wish can create everything, nurtures them and keeps them blissful by offering them nirvana and other celestial abodes? ಜನಪನಚ್ಚಿದರೇವ ಧನವಾಹನ ವಿಭೂಷಣ ವಸನ ಭೂಮಿಯ ತನುಮನೆಗಳೆತ್ತಾದರಿಪರುಂಟೇನು ಲೋಕದೊಳು ಅನವರತ ನೆನೆವರರನಂತಾಸನವೇ ಮೊದಲಾದಾಲಯದಲಿಟ್ಟನು ಗಣಂದದಲವರ ವಶನಾಗುವ ಮಹಾಮಹಿಮಾ. A pleased king might give us money, vehicles, jewels, house or land, but never his personal possessions. However, to those that remember him, Sri Hari will take them to his Anantasana and other abodes and serves them in complete subservience. ಭುವನ ಪಾವನ ಚರಿತ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಶ್ರವಣ ಕೀರ್ತನ ಪಾಪ ನಾಶನ ಕವಿಭಿರೀಡಿತ ಕೈರವರ ಶ್ಯಾಮ ನಿಸ್ಸೀಮ ಯುವತಿ ವೇಷದಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಗೌರಿ ಧವನ ಮೋಹಿಸಿ ಕೆಡಿಸಿ ಉಳಿಸಿದ ಇವನ ಮಾಯವಗಿರುವನಾವನು ಈ ಜಗತ್ರಯದಿ. This purifier of the 14 worlds, the legendary glory in all the sacred hymns, the slayer of sins, eulogized by the poets, that seamless hue of continuous lily, the Sri Hari had once disguised himself as a damsel and enchanted and defamed Lord Shiva. Who can indeed imagine the magic that he can really be? ಪಾಪಕರ್ಮವ ಸಹಿಸುವಡೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಪತಿಗೆ ಸಮರಾದ ದಿವಿಜರ ನೀಪಯೋಜ ಭವಾಂಡದೊಳಗಾವಲ್ಲಿನ ಕಾಣೆ ಗೋಪ ಗುರುವಿನ ಮಡದಿ ಭುಜನಗ ಚಾಪ ಮೊದಲಾದವರು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮಹಾಪರಾಧಗಳೆನಿಸಿದರೆ ಕರುಣಾ ಸಮುದ್ರ ಹರಿ. There can never be another one equal to Sri Hari in forgiving the sins of the people. Nandagopa treated him like a son. Gopis treated him as their own. Kaikeyi exiled him. Maharshi Bhrigu stepped on him. And Shiva provoked him many times and his devotees for a fight. Did the forever kind Sri Hari keep a tab on any of these sins? ಅಂಗುಟಾಗ್ರದಿ ಜನಿಸಿದ ಮರತರಂಗಿನಿಯು ಲೋಕತ್ರಯೊಳಗ ಹಿಂಗಿಸುವಳ ವ್ಯಾಕೃತಾಕಾಶಾಂತ ವ್ಯಾಪಿಸಿದ ಇಂಗಡಲ ಮಗಳೊಡೆಯ ನಂಗೋಪಾಂಗಗೊಡಲೆಪ್ಪಮಲ ಮಂತ ಸುಮಂಗಳಪ್ರದ ನಾಮ ಪಾವನ ಮಾಳ್ಪುರೇ ನರಿತು. If the Ganges that comes from just the tip of Sri Hari's left toe can dissolve the sins of the three worlds, then imagine how much more power are with this Lord, the husband of Ocean's daughter, who is spread across this entire universal space. ಕಾಮಧೇನು ಸುಕಲ್ಪತರು ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿಗಳ ಮರೇಂದ್ರ ಲೋಕದಿ ಕಾಮಿತಾರ್ಥಗಳಿಗೂ ವಲ್ಲವೇ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಪರಿಗೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಮುಕುಂದನ ಪರಮ ಮಂಗಳ ನಾಮ ನರಕಸ್ಥರನು ಸಲಹಿತು ಪಾಮರರ ಪಂಡಿತರೆನಿಸಿ ಪುರುಷಾರ್ಥ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಿಹುದು. The Kamadhenu cow, the Kalpavriksha tree, and the Chintamani stone are said to fulfill desires for the serving ones in the eternal abodes above. However, Sri Hari protects his people even in the hell, giving respect and scholarly titles to those that sing his glory. ಮನದೊಳಗೆ ಸುಂದರ ಪದಾರ್ಥವ ನೆನೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕೈಕೊಂಡು ಬರನೂತನ ಸುಶೋಭಿತ ಗಂಧ ಸುರಸೋಪೇತ ಪದರಾಶಿ ಜಗದಿ ನಿವಹಗಳಂತೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟವರನು ಸದಾ ಸಂತೈಸುವನು ಸದ್ಗುಣವ ಕದ್ದವರಗವ ಕದಿವನು ಅನಗನೆಂದೆನಿಸಿ. By being called the faultless one. For the good things that we think of in our minds and offer them to him, Sri Hari will pamper us by taking them all, and giving back much more fragrant ones, mesmerizing ones, the delicacies, just like the gush of the Ganges, and protects us all the time. To those devotees that steal and hoard his qualities in their hearts, he steals their sins, and all the while remaining the sinless one. ಚೇತನ ವಿಲಕ್ಷಣ ನೂತನ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳೊಳಗೆ ಬಲು ನೂತನತಿ ಸುಂದರಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಂದರ ರಸಕ್ಕೆ ರಸರೂಪ ಜಾತ ರೂಪೋದರ ಭವಾಗ್ಯರುಳಾತ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪ್ರಭಾವಧರಾತಳದೊಳೆಮ್ಮೊಡನೆ ಆಡುತ್ತಲಿಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ. Srihari Tande is beyond all conscious and unconscious. He is the newness in everything new. He is the essence of everything beautiful and tasty. He bears the biggest yet impact on this universe by being Brahma, by being Rudra and all other gods. He rules this world and the eternal abodes. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಶಿಶುವಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ಭಯಗಳ ಪರಿಹರಿಸಿ ನಿಜ ಮಂದಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡಿದುದ ನಿತ್ತಾದರಿಸುವಂಬದಲಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆಡ ಬಲದಿ ಒಳಹೊರಗಿಂದಿರೇಶನು ತನ್ನವರನೆಂದೆಂದು ಸಲಹುವನಾಗ ಸಲಹೋಲೆತ್ತ ನೋಡಿದರು. Just like how the parents always take away the kids' fears and fulfill all their desires and ambitions, even Srihari is protecting his people in the front, in the back, the right, the left, anywhere in the expanding sphere. ಒಡಲ ನೆಳಲಂದದಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿನಮ್ಮೊಡನೆ ತಿರುಗುವನೊಂದರೆ ಕ್ಷಣ ಬಿಡಲೆ ಬೆಂಬಲನಾಗಿ ಭಕ್ತಾಧೀನನೆಂದೆನಿಸಿ ತಡೆವ ದುರಿತೋಘಗಳ ಕಾಮದ ಕೊಡುವ ಸಕಲೇಷ್ಟಗಳ ಸಂತತ ನಡೆವ ನಮ್ಮಂದದಲ್ಲಿ ನವಸು ವಿಶೇಷ ಮಹಿಮಾ. Like the shadow to the body, Srihari always moves along with his devotees, supporting them in every moment. He prevents their dangers, fulfills their many desires, and walks along with them in his ever new special greatness. ಬಿಟ್ಟವರ ಭವಪಾಶದಿಂದಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟುವನು ಬಹು ಕಠಿಣ ನಿವಸಿಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟನೆಂದರಿದನವರತ ಸದ್ಭಕ್ತಿ ಪಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟುವರ ಭವ ಕಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡಿಸುವ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿನವನಿವನಲ್ಲ ಕಾಮದ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಾವನು ಸಕಲ ಸಂಖ್ಯಗಳಿಹ ಪರಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. Those who leave him, he will tie them to the material attachments. He can be strict. But those who realize his liking to the disciplined and worship him with such devotion, he will release them from their material bondage. He never gets angry. He blesses his people and protects them in the many worlds. ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಬೆಯೆಂದರದಿ ಕೈಮೈ ತಿಣ್ಣಿಗೊದಗುವ ತೆರದಿ ಪಲ್ಗಳು ಕಣ್ಣು ಫಲಗಳ ನಗಿದು ಜಿಹ್ವೆಗೆ ರಸವ ನೀವಂತೆ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಫಲವೇ ಬಂದದಲ್ಲಿ ನುಡಿ ಬೆಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಾಂಡದೊಳು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ ನನ್ನ ಒದಗುವ ಭಕ್ತರವಸರ ಕಮರ ಗಣ ಸಹಿತ. The eyelids wipe the dust off the eyeballs. The fingers are servicing the back by scratching it when it itches. The teeth bites the fruit to release its juice for the tongue. They are all selfless services. Similarly, while rewarding the good deeds, Srihari also protects everyone in this Brahmanda, like the duty-bound Lakshmana's brother, the ever-protecting Sri Rama. ಕೊಟ್ಟುದನು ಕೈಕೊಂಬರಕ್ಷಣ ಬಿಟ್ಟಗಳ ತನ್ನವರ ದುರಿತಗಳಟ್ಟುವನು ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ದುರಿತಾರಣ್ಯ ಪಾವಕನು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಬೆನ್ನಲಿ ಹೊರಿಸಿದವರುಳು ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದನೇನೋ ಹರಿಕಂಗೆಟ್ಟ ಸುರರಿಗೆ ಸುಧೆಯ ನುಡಿಸಿದ ಮುರಿದ ನಹಿತರನ. Srihari accepts everything offered to him. He will never desert his devotees. He keeps their troubles at a distance, for he is the forest fire to them. Even to those that made him endure the Mandara mountain on his back, remember the Kurmavatara. To even such deities, he offered the elixir, the Amrita, and unchained their miseries. ಖೇದಮೋದ ಜಯಾಪಜಯ ಮೊದಲಾದ ದೋಷಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿನ್ಮಯ ಸಾದರದಿ ತನ್ನಂಘ್ರಿ ಕಮಲವ ನಂಬಿ ತುತಿಸುವರ ಕಾದು ಕನ್ಯಹ ಪರಮ ಕರುಣ ಮಹೋದಯ ತನ್ನವರು ಮಾತಪರಾಧಗಳ ನೋಡದಲೆ ಸಲಹುವ ಸರ್ವ ಕಾಮದನು. Srihari has no sorrows, no happiness, no victory, no defeats. He is faultless, the beacon of knowledge. He is the ocean of kindness, protecting the devout souls that praise him on the lotus petals of his feet. Without minding their faults, he fulfills all their wishes. मीनकूर्मवराह नरपञ्चानरातुल शौर्यवामन रेणुकात्मज रावणादिनिशाचरध्वंसी रेणुकासुरमथन त्रिपुरवहानिगैसिद निपुण कलिमुख दानव संहरिसि धर्मदि आयुध सुजनरनु. He protects his people. As a fish he came, a turtle, then as a boar, then as a ferocious man-lion form of Narasimha, then as Vamana, and then as Renuka's son Parashurama, then as a slayer of Ravana and other demons as Sri Rama, then as Sri Krishna who killed Dhenukasura, and then as the expert Buddha who captivated the three worlds, and finally as Kalimukha. Sri Hari keeps coming back and protecting the noble people time and again. श्रीमनोरम शमल वर्जित कामित प्रद कैरव दल श्याम शमल शरण्य शाश्वत शर्क राक्षस खा साम सन्नुत सकल गुण गण धाम श्री जगन्नाथ विठ्ठल लीमहियೊಳವ तरसि सलहिद सकल सुजनरनु. He who has captured Mahalakshmi's heart is devoid of all defects, fulfills everyone's desires, the colorfully dark-hued one, the hope and shelter for all the devotees, the eternal, a patron to our subtle thoughts, being praised in Samaveda too, the one who is complete with all good qualities, that Sri Hari, that Sri Jagannatha Vithala had taken up a mortal form to protect his people once. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Harihi Om.
Natha Dasaru concludes the Karuna Sandhi, wherein he so eloquently and yet simply expounds one of Sri Hari's Ananta Gunas, the Guna of Karuna. The various examples and stories Dasaru cites brings out the infinite kindness of Sri Hari, how he is a friend to all jivas, ever present to rush to his bhaktas' aid. How thankful and grateful must we all be to Dasaru for revealing this Bhakta Paradha Sahishnuta Guna of Sri Hari. In a world of people filled with a what's in it for me attitude, the Karuna of Sri Hari scores supreme, for he gives without any expectation from his bhaktas. We hope this rendition has inspired you, dear listeners, to enjoy more such sandhis.